Thinline is an application technique using Access herbicide to treat saplings and regrowth less than 5 centimetres in basal diameter. The herbicide is mixed using diesel or Biosafe, a diesel replacement, to assist penetration through the bark. The Thinline application method requires a mix of Access herbicide with diesel or Biosafe at a ratio of 1:9. Treat the stem of the sapling from the ground level up to 5 centimetres high. This technique uses less carrier and reduces the time to treat each stem compared to the standard basal bark application method. Don't treat burnt, wet or thick and corky bark stems, as these will repel the mixture.
So another option for us, instead of basal barking and coming to the full distance up the plant, is the Thinline technique, where you use a more concentrated form of Access mixed in the carrier, and it's quite readily taken up through these smooth bark species where there's no rough or corky bark. So instead of coming up that full 300 millimetres, we can now only need to put a 50 millimetre Thinline spray around that base of that plant. The concentration of the Access needs to be a lot stronger, so we use a mixing rate of 1:9 into the diesel or into the Biosafe oil.
Common woody weeds to control with the Thinline application method include smooth-stemmed acacia species, cockspur thorn, Leukina, Parkinsonia. Consult the Woody Weed Specialist website or the Woody Weed Control Guide to determine what product will control which weed best. Let's look at some do's and don'ts when using the Thinline application method. Treat all stems in multi-stemmed plants. Only mix enough herbicide with diesel distillate for 1 day's application. Different woody weed species often require different herbicides and application techniques for long-term control, so always read the label before undertaking any herbicide treatment.